Alright, it's D-Day here today. Eric's putting the headers on and the oil pan on the motor that I just powder coated. And looking sweet. And the other guys are out here cleaning up the car, getting it nice and clean, so when we put it all back together here, it'll look good. Oh yeah. Breaking your back.
Nice. Thanks.
Hey, somebody's got a video, you know, somebody's got to do the heavy lifting. This is our, what are we calling this? Not even Harbor Freight. We were like, it's like the, lift with your legs now, lift with your legs, Eric. That was lifting with your back. Look at him, that guy used to bench 400 pounds. Now he can barely lift a transmission.
That's called old age.
Yeah. This is the radiator support for the Coyote swap. Looks good. Dave's over here working on the battery tray. This is the second one we bought from Speedway Motors. Still didn't fit an Optima battery even though it said it was supposed to. So we're doing some machining here. Nice work, Dave. Oh, a safety. And we're doing a final mock-up of this radiator support piece. Fans are in. Dave's working on the heater hoses. Let me see what he's doing. We're going to try to get this other wiring harness mounted today. A lot of wires. Oh boy.
Is uncanny as the legendary Freddie Mercury. Critics say it's not to be missed. The concert of the year, the best thing since.
I think my thing just blew up. Just went poof. And smoke coming out of it. Crap. Bailey, what's up? Not cool. Yeah, we got a lot of noise going here.
Yeah.
Dave's working on the wiring for the, this is the radiator, dual fan radiator setup. Crimping and soldering the connections. Here's the fan setup. Eric's over here sandblasting some brackets for the radiator. It's a lot of little stuff. And now I'm working on the air intake. Got this mocked up. Had to re-weld here and get a straight coupler for this. Hope that'll get painted black. We got the computer and the power by the hour module set up, mounted there. And I got this power steering tank that's going to go down here, right there. Little by little. Alright, so this radiator we got, for some reason has this small inlet here, so I machined this one, and I'm going to weld this onto there so that this works with the factory Mustang hose. Alright, you know it's getting serious when you get in the engine compartment to put a hose on. It just doesn't want to go on, does it? Nope. It's all these little things, guys, that just take forever. Alright, so when you're doing work like this, there's a lot of contemplating. A lot of trying to figure out what's the best way, what to go where. We did get this power steering reservoir mounted. And stuff goes in and out about 20 times. Alright, we are trying to button up this car here. We just put a new battery in. Eric's working on the AC lines back in. We got them crimped. Dave's rewiring up all this stuff up here in the front. Some sweet wiring. And I got all new belts on. One little thing at a time.
Back over here, James. Squeeze it back by and.
All right. What are you working on, Dave?
I'm running new electrical harness for the
Weather
Parking
pack,
lights.
connectors, parking lights, headlights. All right, we are making headway. Radiators in. Trans lines are in. Dave's still finishing up some of this weather pack wiring for the new headlight plug. Oh yeah. Well, we have been plugging away here. I got all the wires run. I mean, it's not the greatest, but this is also not a show car, so got this all in. That's all in. The dual fan setup is done. We got this. This is the wire for the airflow sensor. We got our tranny lines all looking good. We got a few more wires to deal with down there. Eric's pinning off the fuel line right now. We are pumping out the old fuel. We don't want to run this through the fresh engine here. We're like hopefully moments away of firing her up. Dave and Eric have been doing wiring all day. Lots of little things to wire. Oh yeah. It's pretty orange looking there. Mm-hmm. Put that in your lawnmower, Dave. Alright, so we're not getting any starter action. Fuel pump's coming on. The fans are working, but we're trying to figure out this power by the hour wiring harness here. For some reason we're not getting any juice down to the starter. What do you think is the problem, Dave?
I think it ain't starting.
Is it the discombobulator? The flux capacitor? Ready to hear this baby fire up. Alright, we're gonna try it here. I think we may have figured it out.
Not that. No, start.
Alright, we're gonna see if it'll turn over.